For whatever he does, the Son also does in a like manner. For the Father loves the Son and shows him all things that he himself does. And he will show him greater works than these. He will show him greater works than these, that you may marvel. For as the Father raises the dead and gives life to them, then even the Son gives life to whom he wills. For the Father judges no one, but has committed all judgment to the Son, that all should honor the Son. As I'm reading.
Keep reading.
As they honor the Father. For who does not? Can we get rid of the laugh track?
Hold on, guys. Chill out.
For he who does not honor the Son does not honor the Father whom he sent. Okay, now, interestingly, in the same chapter, which he doesn't want me to read, can of myself do nothing as I hear. I judge. My judgment is righteous. Why? Because I do not seek my own will, but the will of the Father who sent me. If I bear witness of myself, my witness is not true. Therefore, another who bears witness of me, and I know that the witness which he witnesses of me is true. In fact, in the same chapter, it says, I have come in my Father's name, and you do not receive me. If another comes in his own name, him you receive. How can you believe who receives honor from another and do not seek the honor that comes from the only God? Who only God who sent Jesus.